Breaking news for medical students across Punjab, we're bringing you a major update directly from the University of Health Sciences Lahore that will impact thousands of future doctors. In a landmark decision, the UHS syndicate has officially announced the restoration of the previous passing and attendance policies. This is a significant development for all affiliated medical and dental colleges. Let's break down what this means for you. First, the passing marks for professional examinations have been revised. The threshold has been brought back down to 50%, a considerable change from the more stringent 65% requirement that was previously in place. This move is expected to alleviate some of the immense pressure on students, allowing for a more balanced approach to their rigorous studies. Second, the attendance requirement has also been adjusted. Students will now need to maintain a 75% attendance record to be eligible to sit for their exams. This is a reduction from the earlier 85% mandate, offering students a bit more flexibility while still emphasizing the importance of consistent class participation. These changes are effective immediately and have been met with a wave of relief and appreciation from the student community. Many students have voiced their support, stating that this decision reflects a better understanding of the challenges they face. But that's not all. The University of Health Sciences has also announced a groundbreaking shift in its examination format, set to be implemented from the next academic year. To enhance transparency and ensure complete fairness in the evaluation process, all written examinations will transition to a multiple-choice question, or MCQ-only format. This standardized approach aims to create a more objective and equitable testing environment for every student. In conjunction with this new exam style, UHS is also reinforcing its commitment to academic integrity. A strict new policy will be enforced to prevent any form of cheating. Under these new regulations, no electronic devices of any kind will be permitted inside the examination halls. This includes smartwatches, mobile phones, and any other gadgets. This zero-tolerance policy is designed to uphold the sanctity of the examination process. These comprehensive reforms from the University of Health Sciences Lahore are aimed at creating a more supportive, fair, and modern educational framework for the doctors of tomorrow. Students are advised to stay updated with all official university communications and to prepare accordingly for these changes. This has been a special report on the new UHS policies. We encourage all students to study smart and embrace these new opportunities. We wish you the very best of luck on your journey to becoming the next generation of healthcare professionals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more important updates.